Well, this is confusing. I've got a new transfer. The packet says it's got 4 sheets, but they've given me 5. So that's a bit odd. So if I take this one away, they line up really well. Problem is, I don't want it to go across. I want it to go up and down. So what I'm going to do, let me think. 1 and 3 will be all right coming down. What's this one? This is 2. The 2 doesn't fit up here. Or does it? Oh yeah. 2 and 3 is the same? I don't know, this is confusing. Well, that does not fit. Try the 4. Move that away, try the 4. I've got to make this work to fit my vertical piece. That's all right. That'll line, I think. Ugh, how confusing. A little bit tricky, this one. Yeah, that looks like that lines up. Okay, so I'm going to be going down and trimming them right down the centre, because I need 2 strips of this all the way down. I think that'll work. Very odd. Imagine getting 5 pieces. They're going to go here, down the sides. Just here. That's where I want them to go. We'll get on with it, see what happens.